Oh, I have this.
Pang
This
nanay.
one. Yeah. I was supposed to buy this, but like
Crazy deals. Buy me.
crazy deals. Buy me.
Girl! Oh, okay. Sige.
Foreskin. May nakita ko sa Pornhub. Hindi ko na lalaki, may foreskin pa rin. Tapos ang liit. Tapos yung babae ni-enjoy niya.
Ba't kailangan ko malaman?
Wala akong sige. Ako kanina.
Leo, correct. Miss you.
Real. Ma'am Jocaresa, we miss you.
Please.
Sorry. Di po kami sanay sa English teacher namin. Parehas po kami ng English teacher.
Like,
Tapos hindi po kami sanay kasi
ano
hindi
siya?
ko bet yung pagtuturo niya.
Yeah.
Saka super strict siya.
I know, right? Like, I mean, strict ka din, pero hindi siya fun, you know?
Yeah, like hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Yeah.
She's so bland. She
I
has
know,
no
right?
taste and nagagalit siya
Minsan
kapag...
tumatalsik laway niya.
What? That didn't happen to me.
What happened to me?
And also, sometimes her yacht gets into my face. Like, what?
What the gyat?
Yeah. Jocaresa? What haven't we explored? 200 plus. I have Lolita shoes and I bought them at a thrift store and I got them twice the price of the actual.
What?
What the
Twice?
fuck? Yacht?
Twice mentioned? What? Okay.
I want you to cry for me.
What the heck? Who the hell? Help.
I can't. Uy, si Ma'am Chloe, oh.
Happy bit. Excuse me?
Girl, what the fuck?
Sounds like virus.
Yay, I'm gonna be dead.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
My hidden music taste.
Real.
Real. What are you doing?
Dancing.
Eh, ano to? Ano yan?
No
No product
product testing,
testing, tapos
please.
may ganyan.
Ba't may ganto?